The rustic look on trend with fabulous sunflowers, fun and easy design. Let me show you how it's done. The vessel, a heavy ceramic, floral netting inside, fresh water and flower food. The stars, a sunflower, not vivid yellow, a little more rustic in coloring. And to enhance that, using bare manzanita branches to pick up the brown in the flowers and the container for better unity. To create the base, a bit of Israeli ruscus radiating in. That'll give it a tiny bit of brightness with the green, but then coming back with agonis in this deep mahogany, which will darken and again unify with the container. You can break it down, pull off the side shoots, and then feed it into the weave and continue front and back, side to side. And then of course the manzanita, just setting it down in, letting it come up and over and fill the container. The golden mustard rose, the perfect complement to the dusty rustic sunflowers, just setting them down in, drawing the eye through front to back, and then bringing the sunflowers in, letting them show well right over the top. As a final touch, just a bit of texture and deep color to add contrast, tucking it in, the bunny tails, gathering them, giving it a cut, and then placing it in. And just adding texture and color to fill in the various holes. The recipe, I started with a base of manzanita, Israeli ruscus, and agonis. Then added in 12 golden mustard roses, 6 of the sunflowers, 10 stems of hypericum, and a full bunch of bunny tails. The autumn season comes with such an abundance of textures and depth of color. You'll find more creative inspiration in all the autumn hues on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Pick your favorite flowers, create an arrangement, take a picture and post it on social media. Hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.